some reason, my screen recorder doesn't want me to have audio. Anyways, we got a brand new aircraft. The Airbus A330 has been added to the game. This might be the first wide-body to not be pay to win. I left the menu music on. The A330 comes with 8 liveries. The first livery is Iberia. The second livery is Qantas. The third livery is Turkish Airlines. The fourth is Air Canada, followed by Cathay Dragon as the fifth. Sixth and seventh are Airbus themselves and Philippine Airlines. And the last one is Condor. The A320 has gotten some new liveries. The Spirit logo is the old logo in this flight, Sim LOL. I realize the A320 has not gotten a new livery after editing. The 737 has gotten plenty new liveries. Air Europa, WestJet, Garuda Indonesia, and Norwegian Air Shuttle has been added. The Thai Airways logo as a livery on the 737 is the budget airline of Southeast Asia, Thai Lion Air, which is not the flag carrier of Thailand, Thai Airways. Air Canada will be the livery we are flying in the new A330. La Palma Airport has just been added. I haven't checked every gate, but right now I have gate 6.7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The physics is still the same as last year. Look at the other A330 nearby. Pay close attention. Anyways, let's get moving. The strangest thing is there are dandruff coming out when I bring out the gear. Gear dandruff only happens when the aircraft lands. I thought I was perfectly aligned with the runway. The map lied to me. Enjoy watching me struggle on how to land. Fly-by-wire actually works in the game. If you do not know what it is, it was invented in 1985 by Airbus. It prevented stalling and banking. The A300, A310, and A320 were the first to use it. Airbus only used fly-by-wire. Everyone else did not. have officially broke the aircraft. I had to try again for this one. I thought that was not butter, so I went again.